This is the Nissan Primera P10 of 1995. We're gonna have a little manual touching thorough check of the engine compartment components, whether they are in a good frigid formation, the various elements of the fuses and the cables, etc. So the radiator's complying tube to the main engine that was a few months ago fixed, reattached to the main radiator. It is solidly connected. We can see here that the ABS system, it is in a good situation, though the actual rods, they're a little rotten, though this is not a problem. We can see that the liquid for the steering wheel of the hydraulic drive is in a good state, it's closed. The spark plugs, they're in good attachment to the main engine. Their cables are upon the right formation by the multiplier. The oil tap is tightly closed. The indicator of the oil rod is tightly connected. The air filter is in a good state, solidly standing, though the tube connecting the air filter to the main air infusement, it has a little swinging, it has a little loosening, though I think this is the right formation since the origins from the factory build-up, so this is not a point of concern either. And we have the main battery in a good state, and all the main components. This is the dynamo. I think we're in a good state. Okay. So this has been a sneak, fast, thorough check of the engine compartment components state.